Hi, I'm Amanda from Life Unravelled, and we're here to unravel life's little mysteries. Now, it's been lovely talking about all these things that we can do with Kindy. There are certain aspects like bullying, and if your child gets hurt by another child consistently, that is really tricky. And what you sometimes need to do is talk with an education consultant. Life Unravelled provides an education consultancy facility where we can talk to you over the phone or on the internet, FaceTime, or even via Skype. So we can talk to you about what are some of the options and what your personal situation is. It's a bit hard to give general advice just for those sorts of issues because there are so many aspects that have to be taken into consideration. But good luck, have a great time. It's really fun to have the kids during this age. They have lots of fun and you've got lots of opportunities to build those fantastic relationships with them. Do your best, and I know you're going to try really hard, but don't get disheartened if you don't think you're doing enough. I'll pretty much guarantee that you are doing enough. Kids just love being around people and they love being around their loved ones. So enjoy as much as you can, and thank you very much for looking at this course. We've really covered quite a lot of information. Remember, you can always go back and watch these again and again to pick up more information. The more you watch them, you might find that you pick up some new little tidbit that you hadn't remembered from the last time that you watched it. We have lots more courses that are coming out in our website. There's a great one on how to learn to read, and there's another one on maths, which are really good ones to look at if you're moving into that school environment, just to make sure that the kids have all those aspects covered before they hit school. Catch you later, bye.
This video was produced by Imagination Pty Ltd for Life Unravelled. All advice and information given during this course is designed for general use only. If you have any concerns for your child, please seek professional advice as soon as possible. For terms and conditions, please see website www.lifeunravelled.com.au.